Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sort by date in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sorting data by date is a straightforward process here in Google Sheets. But you have to know that when data is sorted by date, you can easily identify trends and patterns that may not be apparent when data is unsorted. For example, you can observe sales trends over months or seasons, track project milestones, or analyze customer behavior over time. And sorting by date enables straightforward comparison between different time periods, and it's particularly useful in financial analysis where you might want to compare. Now, for you to be able to sort this entire thing into date, I want you to highlight the cells and then right click and go to the view more cell actions and click on sort range. All right, what will happen is you need to click the data has header row, and then you can sort name by name on the drop down menu, or simply sort by dates. All right, so it's up to you if you wanted to sort by A to Z. We also have a separate video on how to sort your data information here in Google Sheets from A to Z or Z to A. But for now, let's click on it and click on sort. All right, so you see the this one has been sorted out. Because if I'm going to press Control Z, all right, or the undo button here, this one, you see the numbers are not in order, right? If I click on this redo again, you see the dates has been sorted out. This is very helpful because it simplifies the process of creating reports and summaries, whether it's generating monthly summaries, quarterly reports for your company if you're working for clients or multiple freelancers, or annual reviews. Having data sorted by date streamlines the compilation and presentation of information. Now, when you do that again, just right click on this one and go to the view more cell actions. There's an advanced section here to add another column. All right, when you do, you can also sort that by the dates. And what will happen is you would be able to have another column here sorted by date. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.